On this week's tech tip, I'm going to show you how to create an email distribution list inside of Outlook so that you can send one email to one address and it'll get to as many people that are members of that group. Let's say, for example, you want to email all your staff. Well, you create a distribution list called, say, schoolstaff@lausd.net or something along those lines. So here's the way it would look like in its format. Of course, you would incorporate your own school's name accordingly. Let me show you how it works. So when you're logged into your Outlook, you go up to this little gearbox on the right and you click on it. And then when that happens, you scroll down to where it says View Outlook Settings. And then that pops up this window where you can then navigate up to where it says General. Here, you'll have a list of options, and then here is where this feature gets set up. Distribution groups. So here on the left, you're able to see what are the distribution groups that I belong to, and then the distribution groups that I own. So if I want to set up a new group, all I need to do is click on this plus sign. So let's call this test list. And I will then create an email address right here. Believe it or not, as an Outlook user in LA Unified, you can create your own email address for your group. So you can give it something meaningful. So for example, if you're at Miles Elementary, you can say Miles Elementary Staff or something along those lines. Make sure that you collect at lausd.net here so that it's recognizable for everybody. You'll notice down here that it says owners. Let me move my little box here. So you'll notice down here where it says owners. I'm the owner right now because I'm the one setting it up, but you can add additional owners. And the purpose of setting up additional owners is that the owners are able to manage the list, add people, and delete them. And so here, in order to add an owner, you have to select default global address list. This is a key piece. That way you can find the people in the directory that you want to add. Let's say I want to add Nieves Rascon from our office to help be an owner of this list. You search them and then just click on the plus sign and click save, and then click save again. And then this one is already being used. Test list is being used. So that's what happens when your list is already being used. So let me call this another name, test list sample. And so if I click save, it now says saving completely successfully. So there you have it. You saw an example of when it doesn't work as well as when it does work. And so as long as the email address has not already been used, you can go ahead and use it in these settings. So now here I will be able to go to new message and use the list. So in our case, the way it works is I have HP cost staff established as a list, and then I can use that and email it once, and then everybody on the list gets it. So I hope this tech tip was helpful for you. I'm doing these in an effort to help your day be managed more efficiently and save you time when trying to get regular day-to-day tasks done at school.